Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Feit Floodlight camera offline issue. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, there are a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. So first is you want to make sure to check your power connection. So first, ensure your cameras is actually properly connected to power. Now, if the issue persists, try resetting the camera by pressing the reset button located behind the cover on the side of the camera. Now, just to give you some idea here, this is actually from an article directly from Feit himself, and in this case, you should be able to see it at the side here or at the back. So usually, it's going to be a small reset button here. Just go ahead and press it to reset your camera or your floodlight camera. Now, next that you want to do here is you want to verify your camera is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now, if necessary, you can reset your router to ensure a stable internet connection. So that involves turning off your router, disconnecting it, wait for 12 seconds, and plug it back in, turn it on, and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you could do here is to adjust your camera settings. So ensure your camera is set up with secure password and WPA2 encryption for optimal performance. Also, place your camera in a location where it can actually capture the best possible footage as well. Now, also, what you need to do is you want to make sure your camera is actually in a location where you have it in a stable connection. So what I mean with that is make sure that the camera is not blocking or it's not blocked by a wall. So sometimes if it's blocking or your camera is within a vicinity of a wall between your Wi-Fi connection, it can slow down the network or the interconnectivity. So in this case, make sure it's actually accessible by your internet network or Wi-Fi network. And if none of those work, the last thing and final thing that we can do here is to contact Feit customer support. So if the issue continues, consider reaching out to the Feit customer support. They can assist you further on how to fix this issue. But how do you reach out to them? So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to their official website, which is going to be the following. Let's open it up. So it's going to be feit.com. Now, what we need to do is we need to go to help at the very top here, click on it. And from here, you should be able to see option or link that says submit a request at the top right here. Now, from here on, you could go ahead and interact with their bot and say that you need assistance with your camera floods here, and they will connect you to a representative. But in this case, make sure that you are in the following times here. So they are available from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. PST. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.